Good morning and welcome to, well, we're not there yet. Well, we're going to Blizzard Beach today, which will be quite different because we haven't been to Blizzard Beach. Well, I haven't been to Blizzard Beach for quite a while, and South hasn't been at all, so it's going to be a new experience for us. I'm just going to get the bus over to Epcot, then to Magic Animal Kingdom, then to Blizzard Beach. We have to go and get an Uber card this morning for later in the day, which you'll see in next week's vlogs. So yeah, let's get over there. So I made it to Blizzard Beach finally, and it's not actually too busy. Sun's blazing, so we're going to get in the lazy river in a bit. I'll have to switch over to the GoPro though after I've been to the locker. I'll show you where we get our sunbed, but I will switch over to the GoPro and vlog that for the rest of the day while we're at Blizzard Beach. Hopefully get on the flu sides. And so get a few slides. Around the lazy river, wave pool, all that kind of fun stuff at the water parks. So at the moment we've got these two sunbeds here, which is right there. To be fair, I told you it's not that busy today. So some people have been having beds like at the back by the trees, and there's absolutely loads over there. You get the rubber dinghies into the wave pool, which is really cool. I think we're just gonna have a little dip and go and join into the lazy river, then make our way up to some slides after that. So what I'm going to do is switch over to the GoPro and vlog off that from now until later. So we're just walking around Blizzard Beach, having a look around while the sun cream soaks in. You might see a bit of a difference in quality and audio, but best I can do at the moment. But yeah, there's loads around here. You've got some slides over here. Summit Plummet, the one next to Summit Plummet, I'm not sure what that's called. You've got some like bars and that, food places. I don't know what time they open or whatnot, but we're going to have a look around in lunchtime at the food places. But yeah, they've got a lazy river that goes all the way around. I'm not sure what that's called, couldn't tell you. But yeah, what we'll do, we'll have a look at this menu right here now. So I don't know what time it opens, but they've got loaded potato barrels, chicken salad sandwich, tuna salad sandwich, that might be a good thing for me, turkey sandwich, Southwest chicken wrap, and also grilled chicken feta with watermelon salad, feta. That looks like quite a cool menu. I might get a tuna sandwich, I love tuna. What do you reckon? Better menu than the park, some of them are. We should have like menus at the park, but we did find a restaurant yesterday. Just outside, just the back side of the castle, Magic Kingdom. It's just on the left behind the carousel, and they have like pizzas and pasta and all that. Which we're going to try that out like one of the days, in the next few days. So we've got this dinghy race slide here. This looks really cool. Looks fun. We'll have to race south on that later. I'm sure I'll beat her. My fat bum will weigh me down and take me down really fast. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna have a quick more look around, probably a music on it, and some more clips. Okay, so we've been around the lazy river, and now we're going to go on this tube one here. Got these dark brown tubes. We're going to have a go on them, see what they're like. You get the tubes, well, you got the lazy river here. You got the tubes around here. So what's it called? Runoff Rapids Tube Pickup. Just on them two rides, it was really good, to be fair. We did the inside one, we didn't do the outside one, because the inside one had a shorter queue. and we didn't go back up because it was a trek up there, wasn't it? Oh, Christ. So yeah, I think we're gonna go and dry off and go on here. Let's go back to the hotel. So yeah, we've had a really good morning here. Been brilliant. But it's getting a bit busy now. You can see over there, look. Right, so we just had about 20 minutes in the lazy river, and we literally did not even a quarter of the part around the river. It's so lazy. It goes so slow, it's amazing. So we're just going to do bits and bobs around the park and probably join back onto it a bit later and do another section of the lazy river, see what other features are around it. But I think we're might go in the wave pool or do some slides, we're not sure yet. We're going to have a look. Yeah, we're going to go down this way. So we're just going to have a look in the wave pool. We've got these little things here. Clean your feet as you're going across the bridge. Pretty cool. So yeah, we'll see you somewhere, probably a wave pool or a slide. Quick change plan, we're not doing the racing one yet because it's got quite a big queue into it. So we're just going to go and get some other slides done, and I think we're going to go on this one. It's got a black tube one in your dinghy. So yeah, hopefully we can film on that as well, with my glasses on. So when we're going to the racing mode, I think we'll take a GoPro on that. You can't take glasses, so I'm guessing you can't take GoPros on. So we're going to do some tube slides, probably going Summit Plummet, and I definitely can't film on that one. And the racing one just there. And just have a wander around, get in the wave pool. Yeah, it's really good, some brilliant views up here. You can't really see with the GoPro, but over there you got more construction, I think. That's more iDrive. Observation deck, you got the observation deck there for Summit Plummet, and the other slide, I don't really know what that's called, but I'm presuming, oh, if you look over these trees just here, that's where the back of Expedition Everest is. It's really cool, because when you come up to the track at the top, where it cuts off and you go backwards, that's where you can see this here, Summit Plummet. It's really cool. So yeah, we're going to find the slide to go on, then go backwards.
We need to do this with Amelia and Harry.
Just off the raft ride, and we found that photo opportunity there with a photo pass photographer. It's pretty cool. That was a cool little ride. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the camera at the sunbeds for 20 minutes, half hour, and we're going to go on Summit Plummet and Slushy Gusher. We're going to go on Slushy Gusher first, because I think Sophie would brave that easier. Then hopefully she'll dig herself up to come on Summit Plummet. Serious, but it's brilliant, it really is. It's up there, superb, and it's not got big queue whatsoever, so I think we're going to go up and have a look. Get the ski chair up as well. Right, so we're in the big restaurant, and we have a roast chicken rice bowl, blizzard cheddar burger, pepperoni flatbread, chicken strips, harvest salad and chicken and a shrimp roll. I'll have to let you know, I haven't really decided yet. Yeah, quite quite a lot of options. There's vegetarian options over on the left, snack and desserts and your beverages. Okay, so I don't know what the restaurant's called, but I've got a like pulled pork with a burger, with cheese on the bottom. It does come with onion stuff, but I didn't have that. Steak fries, so like normal chips back at home, Sprite. So I've had a massive pepperoni pizza. How much is that?
No.
$10.64 for the pizza, and for a drink and that burger it is $17.34. I'll have to let you know how it is. Yeah, the woman behind the till didn't order the pizza in one, so it was a bit. We'll do it in two. But yeah, just this place here. Nice little area. Just need a little bit of a better service, but it's probably not our fault. But one cool thing here about this Polar pub is they've got margarita beverages, black cherry lemonade frozen, and they've got like all kinds of different beers in there. It's really cool. Oh, strawberry daiquiri frozen, really cool. So, and they've got like a little bar area back here. We're going to go in the lazy river just to chill. It's 12:30. We're going to leave here around about, well, start getting ready about 1:30, so we're just going to go in the lazy river for an hour and head out, because we've got to go back to the room and get ready for tonight. And yeah, the food was alright, not too bad. The burger was alright. How was the pizza? It was alright, but the sauce was a bit greasy. Pizza, I thought. It was not too bad though, alright for the price. So yeah, we're in the lazy river. We might try and do a full lap if we didn't fall asleep. We might end up doing 5. But yeah, really enjoy it. It's getting a bit busy now, halfway through the day, but I think it's over the water park, so I wouldn't think that too many people come in the morning. Yeah, plus it's a Friday, so people might finish work early. I don't know what the crack is over here, but that's all I can think of really anyway. Alright, so I'll get a couple of shots in the lazy river and show you what's about in there. A great day at Blitter Beach. Thanks for joining us. We only got on a few rides like Slusher Gusher, the dinghy one and the big family raft one. Out in the lazy river as well and had a bit of food there. Just a short, like, about 3.5 hours we spent there. It was alright, that was good. In a bit of a relaxing time. Now we're going to go and get ready, and I'll see you in next week's video. You'll see where we'll be going tonight. So make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And ring the bell if you want to. That's up to you. And leave a comment, see how we're doing. So, catch you in a bit. Actually, try a bit.